Hello, my name is Rose and welcome to my channel. Today is October the 14th and I bought myself something really special. So we're gonna unbox it and I'll show you. Come closer. So my camera, this camera here died. It's not working, and so I bought myself a brand new camera for videotaping for YouTube. Something here. Oh, a plastic bag. Oh, it's inside another box. This one here is empty. A box within a box. And my receipt. I'll put that back in the box. Okay. So we're using a cell phone right now to record this because my next camera I'm going to be using for YouTube is in this box. Yay! Get another battery pack. Here is the camera. And here's the stand. I got a little stand. You can see that. And you know what's cool about this? Look. I can actually see myself when I'm recording. As the old one, I couldn't see myself. This is around like 15 years old. Yeah, so put that there. Battery pack there. And I'm going to just, I guess I'll push this box over. Hopefully you can see. Okay. Instructions. Oh, it sounds like it's so tiny. Oh, I got another battery pack. Good. Oh, and a plug-in for. I was wondering if a charger. Okay. This is a little strap. Oh, this is a wind. How do you say that? You don't hear the sound of the wind, I guess. Okay, now let's look at this guy. There's nothing else in this box. Okay, so this is the magic. Whoa, look at that. Okay, so I want to see. So when I'm recording, I can actually see myself. That's gonna be cool. Yeah, so now I'm gonna open up everything. I'm excited. And I picked white because there was black. The black wasn't available at the moment. And I needed a camera right away, so I don't mind white. And this is in Canada too, so that's a little bit different in shipping and what's available at the moment. This is cool too. Instructions. There's a little bag to hold everything in. Oh man, look at that. Okay. Oh, cool. You just movie, photo. Okay, here's your little stand. So what this here looks like here is like when they're videotaping themselves, you hold the camera and the stick in front of you. And yeah, it's just like this here, where you can put it on the table and record. This is so cool. And of course, everybody knows, well, not everybody, but I know other YouTubers, you need an extra battery, and that's about it. Well, might as well open it up because I open every box up. I have to open up everything. Just instructions. Yay, look at that. There we go. So we're all good. I know it's kind of messy at the moment, but this is my next thing. I'm gonna be recording this weekend and uploading some videos. So thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye. I forgot to show you, I also bought some other items to wrap up the dream catchers. This is tissue paper. My daughter helped me pick out some stickers. It says handmade with love. And this is a pocket organizer just to keep up my receipts and stuff. And I have, this is cool because this was a good price. It's bubble wrap envelopes, and it was 20, there's 25 in here. Oh, this in here says thank you for supporting my small business. Keep the packing. So I will be able to put this inside here in bubble wrap, and it doesn't really damage. These are pretty sturdy, but still, when you're shipping items, you kind of want it to have a nice padding around your when you're shipping items. So anyways, I just wanted to show you some other little tiny things. So it's October 14th and Christmas is coming around the corners. I will be using definitely this, and if not more. So again, thank you for watching and have yourself a great day.